There are a lot of teachers, pastors, and prophets who want the sheep to depend on them for the word of the Most High. When the sheep become dependent on their teachers, they are unable to stand on their own 2 feet. A lot of indigenous Black people build a relationship with the Most High through other people. Some refuse to seek the Most High for themselves. When the famine of the Most High's words come, you won't have a choice but to stand on your own. A lot of you are preparing for the worst, and you should. You are preparing to have food to eat. You cannot survive without food. However, a lot of you are neglecting your spirit. The famine against the word of the Most High is worse than not having food. The word of the Most High is alive and powerful. The word can do things the earthly food cannot do.